I gave you my heart.
What's up? What's up? What's up with it, you guys? Welcome back to our channel. It's your boy Jai
and Trevor,
and we're back with yet another fire video. Baby, go ahead and tell them what we going to do to say the day or the night. It's somewhere.
Day 2 of Vlogmas.
Day 2 of Vlogmas, yeah.
That's what we doing.
That's what we doing. We in here. Yup.
So, like we said the other day, we only gonna do what we gonna attempt to do Vlogmas. Gotta keep it minded, y'all. And what we said, we're gonna try to do it three times a week, like we was first posting.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So we gonna do.
Today we gonna do we cooking what they call? I should have. I'm gonna get them.
You go get them. She gonna go get them.
So anywho, this is what we're doing today. These right here.
We're doing cheesiness.
Cheesiness. It's called macaroni and cheese Cheetos. Macaroni and cheese Flamin' Hot.
Flaming hot. Like fire.
So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna need these. Got the mix in the pack already.
So we need some eggs.
Eggs. I was gonna ask you if you wanted to cook today.
I got a whole lot of people that be counting on me.
Shit, now them eggs and the rollers, they ain't. Anywho, so
man, we finna connect like Wi-Fi.
So you need some butter, macaronis, and milk. That's what we're gonna do. I already got my water boiling with a little butter in the pot, or oil, whichever one you choose to put in there. Just keep your noodles from sticking. It say boil at least 6 minutes. No, boil at least 6 cups of water on high to medium.
Yup.
Then it says stir into pasta, cook for 7 minutes or until tender. Then it says drain the water off pasta, do not rinse. I'm gonna rinse because that's how you get all that starch off, so we're gonna rinse. And then it says,
What it say?
punch Josh in the face because he doing ugly facial expressions.
Yeah, you see that small print right there? Say if Trevor Long punch Josh in the face.
Come on now. The last step say add the 2 tablespoons of butter or margarine.
Who?
Margarine.
I call margarine.
That's what I said, margarine.
Margarine.
Same thing,
No,
man.
it's not.
What?
Y'all
Say
tell me.
say how you say it.
Margarine.
Margarine.
You said margarine. She put an E-N-T like she I-N-D-E.
That's you that keep me on this camera. I can't tell you what I want to tell you. Then it say add 1/4 cup of milk. So, and mix well. So we're gonna try these and we're gonna see.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
Let me see that. Alright, you guys. So you see we got that water boiling. Ooh, foggy. Got that water boiling.
Yeah, with our butter, oil, whatever.
What color is it? Oh, they regular color?
Yeah. Put them in there like that.
Put them in there. Okay. You gonna put some oil in there?
Already got something in there.
Okay.
Yeah, some people put the oil in before, but I like to put, why they put the noodles in there, but I just like to put mine in there before.
So you gotta put them in there before. Alright, we gonna show you guys what it look like after they come out. The noodles are done. Finna go ahead and pour them out. Pour them things down. Oh, okay. Okay. Watching it start out.
They say not to rinse, but I am.
Okay. Oh, okay. Alright. She putting that pound of butter on that thing.
There is not no damn pound of butter.
Ooh,
I ain't measuring. I don't need no measuring cup. If you need a measuring cup, then you do that.
Yeah, we don't measure around here though. Yeah. Ooh.
I don't know if I trust these.
I don't know, man. It's beginning to look like Christmas. Ooh. What's it? It would smell just like hot Cheetos. Like no shit.
It look like red paint.
It look like spaghetti sauce.
I don't know. It don't look like no spaghetti sauce.
It look like hot wing sauce at the bottom of that bit. What you gonna do now?
I'm sure it ain't got no seasoning on there, so I'm gonna season just as I would regular macaroni.
That black pepper. Okay, go ahead and make it hotter. Okay.
I ain't put that much in there.
What is it?
Tony.
That Tony Sachet. Okay. Whipping that bitch. I'm gonna let y'all know who be hollering first. Me or Trevor Ron.
They probably not even spicy.
Okay. We're gonna see.
So, we back and we got noodles in the bowl, macaroni. This is what they. So much don't fall over. That's what they look like. We're gonna taste them.
Ooh, Lord.
I brought this seasoning just in case I
Ooh.
didn't put enough in here. I don't know, but
What it smell like?
y'all see that steam?
They can't see that. You gotta put some. So do what Burger King do with them little
Y'all see
steam
that
rocks. Try to make it look, or make a double Whopper look appetizing. That bitch, that dude do be good though. Oh my gosh. Oh.
They are spicy though.
Good.
Is it me or they got a kick? I got a lot of kick, huh?
Yeah. I told her not to put that pepper in there. I told her.
I ain't put that much pepper in there. Yeah, they actually good. You like it? I'm saying like when I say good, I'm saying like they ain't nothing I eat on a daily basis. But I'm saying like
It wasn't that I eat.
trying to see. I'm trying to see if it tastes like hot, flaming hot Cheetos.
It look like Flamin' Hot Cheetos. Don't taste like no Flamin' Hot Cheetos.
This gonna be the end of this video.
Make sure you like this video.
Comment on this video.
And even subscribe to our channel.
See y'all later.
Alright. Doodoo.